So I got the new HP Envy x360 laptop. I'm about to just do a unboxing of it in case people are interested in this particular computer. I'm not about to. I'm not about to do all that. I got this as a gift from my mom for my birthday. She wanted me to say that, y'all. Anyway, so that's the computer. Let's see what's in this box right here. So we got the charger. Take that out. Oh, this is a cool looking charger. And then we got the other piece to the charger. It's a nice charger. I ain't never seen one like, okay. And then now we got the computer. And that's all that comes really in the box. Yeah. Okay. What's this? This seems like this is something. Is it? Nope. It's just a box. Okay. So we got, it actually looks bigger in person than it did in the store. But, oh, here's the papers. I was like, don't it supposed to come with some papers? Okay, so we got this little setup instruction, which I've had many laptops before. They all set up the same, especially one like this. So, let me get this wrapper off. Okay, got the wrapper off, so let's pop this thing open. Okay. Okay, so the screen is so reflective. It's so nice. What I like the most about this, let me show y'all. So you see it right now. Lay this flat all the way. Oh my God. Anyways, and then you lay it like this. And now it's like a tablet. It's a touch screen. I think that's so cool. That was one of the main reasons I was like sold, because I can use it as a touch screen and I can also use it. I wonder if I could put a case on it, like a phone. And I could also use it as a computer, which is good. So if you are on the go, you know what I'm saying, you got the best of both worlds. But 1 second. Okay, so here's the little setup instruction manual. Whatever. Let's see. That's really it. Ain't really much to it. Ain't really much to it but to do it. So here's the computer. Here's the power button. On the side here we have a, what is that? I don't know what that is. A USB, HDMI, and I don't know what this is. I guess, I don't know what that is. And then a headphone jack. And I have realized a lot of computers nowadays does not come with a CD, but not too many things require a CD. Then on this side we have another HDMI and an SD slot and a place to put the charger. And let's get it turned on. There we go. Ooh, it lights up too. Ooh. Fair warning, guys, if you hear a crying sound, that's my daughter in the background crying. So I probably would pause if she gets too crazy, because she can get crazy with the crying. Okay, so try to get the right angle. There we go. So we got it starting up. We're about to do the instructions here. About to let y'all go through the setup with me. So basic setup.
I'm Cortana.
It's in
I'm
there.
here to help. A little sign in here.
Oh, she talking.
Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
No problem.
Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Okay.
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States.
United States,
Is that right?
yes, that's where I'm from.
Your keyboard is set to US.
Yes.
Want to stick with that?
Yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps,
So right now I'm
and
currently in the
videos as soon
hotel,
as
so I'm gonna be
possible.
connecting to the
How about
hotel
the first one on the list? Want to use that
Wi-Fi.
one?
It's the plaza. I'm gonna do connect.
The network you chose needs some more info before letting the internet through. Go ahead
So I'm
and
putting
follow
the
the
password. Hold
instructions to
on,
finish
guys.
connecting. To do.
Okay, back in, got in, put the Wi-Fi in. Until I get home, I'll change the Wi-Fi.
Now let's see what's new from Windows.
I can't believe it's talking
Next
to me.
up,
That's so
the
cool.
legal stuff. In short, you'll need
Blah,
to
blah,
select
blah.
accept
Seeing all
to
this.
type your email address.
Let me sign
or
into my
phone
account
number,
one
then
moment.
follow-
Hey, yeah, I'm about to set up my fingerprint right now on it. This is good. It's like having a phone.
Want to set up a PIN?
Yes. So we're gonna go create a pin. And let's see, I'm gonna make it where no one can see. See what my pin is gonna be. Okay. Okay, say okay, and we got get it all loaded up here, y'all.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select accept when you're ready.
Location diagnosis, tailored experience, advertising ad, inking and typing, by my device, sure.
Based on the activities
Okay,
you choose here,
gaming,
you will get a
customizing.
personalized experience as you set up your device.
So I do gaming. Entertainment. Don't do no school. I'm sorry, guys. Just not even in focus. Family. Accept.
Now let's link your phone and PC using a Microsoft app that can work some magic between your devices. We'll send you a text to get everything set up. Just type your phone
No,
number.
remind me later.
Want to automatically save files and photos to OneDrive for some added peace of mind?
No. No.
Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family. Should we get it ready for you to use?
Yes. Getting everything set up, y'all.
Confirm your payment option.
Who the heck is this? Alexis Williams. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so we got this katana set up. So we're gonna accept this.
Your device manufacturer would like your contact info to send you updates and such.
Skip. Oh, just got my first and last name all out in the open. Oh well, and my email. I probably can blur that out. Cause I got a new computer to actually do that stuff. Register and protect. Sure. Okay, almost set up,
Almost done now. We
guys.
just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Oh.
One button at a time.
We're getting everything ready for you.
Let them take the money out of her.
Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. Whoever that girl Lexus was, y'all, I don't know who that was, but I just charged $1 to her card.
But the thing of it is, how can it be like...
Okay, guys, so I got it all started up. So it wants me to register. Let me go do that real quick. One moment. Alright, so the computer's all set up and ready to go. This is the type of computer I have. I have an HP Envy x360 convertible. I'm probably gonna blur out this because I don't know if that's supposed to be. I keep forgetting it's touch screen. Oh my god. Scroll up from that. Yeah. And then make left one, all this other information it gives, which is cool. This is so dope. Close that out. And that's it. This is the background that I have on my other computer. I guess I just picked it up. But anyways, that's the end of this. Peace out.